Hello everyone, welcome back. So there has been a new blog post from Deno uh, related to Fresh, which is their own web framework. So let's go through the blog post. Fresh is a simple web framework based on the latest web standards that we build and use quite heavily here at Deno. We have teased the next version for quite some time now, but we haven't yet cut a release. Rest assured, we haven't forgotten about it. In fact, a pre-release version of Fresh 2 is being used in production here at Deno on our main website as well as on Deno Deploy. Whenever we post an update regarding Deno on any of our social channels, many of you ask what about Fresh 2. After all, we have announced plans to start working on Fresh 2 a long while ago, and it isn't out yet a year later. So this blog post is an update on where we are at. So why Fresh 2? The first version of Fresh was originally created as a simple way to build websites leveraging the latest web technologies available in Deno. It quickly rose in popularity among Deno users, so much so that Fresh 1.0 became one of the top starred GitHub front-end projects that year. Since then, we pushed many improvements like becoming faster, new features like parsers, and a lot of polish. However, as the needs for Fresh projects grew, we encountered new challenges. Projects with larger islands, more routes, more assets, as well as a desire to extend aspects of Fresh were pushing the limits of the Fresh 1 codebase. Adding new features became harder and harder, and it was obvious that we needed a better foundation to make Fresh advance. This is a normal part of the evolution of a software project. You try an approach, see what works, what doesn't, and iterate from there. We got to work, and with all the learnings from Fresh, build a new architecture for Fresh 2. Why the delay? Building a truly next generation framework sometimes means reinforcing the underlying foundations first to make Fresh 2.0 faster, more extensible, and more delightful to use than ever before. We dedicated significant effort to enhancing the core Deno platform and our JavaScript registry JSR. While this foundational work was time intensive, it was crucial for the advanced feature and stability we are now bringing to Fresh 2. Things were going well during the initial development of Fresh 2. Nevertheless, looking at the issue tracker and questions asked in our Discord channel made it clear that the majority of issues couldn't be fixed in Fresh itself. They needed to be fixed in Deno, as they were caused by underlying technologies such as HTTP specifiers and node compatibility. In order to deliver on the ambitious goals we had for Fresh 2, we had to take a step back and ensure those foundation pieces were robust. Ecosystem compatibility: we always wanted to support third-party NPM packages directly and seamlessly in Fresh. To truly realize this, it became vital to first enhance core aspects of Deno itself. Focus temporarily shifted to contribute directly to the Deno 2 release, building the critical groundwork for Fresh 2 to thrive, and particularly around Node and NPM compatibility. This groundwork directly enables a smoother experience with a wider range of packages in Fresh 2, and we were able to resolve many related compatibility issues as a result. However, this work remains ongoing. Simplifying via JSR and Deno Deploy: one issue that users encountered frequently was with import maps or duplicate dependencies in their code. This was another issue better served by addressing underlying technologies. While we migrated Fresh to JSR, we focused on JSR to improve its usability, which in turn simplifies dependency management for Fresh projects. After that, attention was turned to work on the next iteration of Deno Deploy, which will include a build step. More details about this in a future blog post. We used Fresh and Fresh 2 as a test case with the next version of Deno Deploy, aiming to build the best possible deployment version. While these projects took the bulk of my engineering efforts, they also lay the foundation for a better Fresh. Where is Fresh 2 now? While work on this foundational projects was going full steam ahead, we made sure to switch our projects to the alpha version of Fresh 2. This gave us ample time to battle test it more. Fresh 2 is already powering Deno.com and Deno Deploy in production, but we are still putting the final touches on the plugin system, bundler integration, and overall development experience. Our target for Fresh 2.0 stable release is late Q3 2025, likely September. This timeline allows us to diligently incorporate community feedback from the alpha and ensure the high level of polish we are committed to. We will provide more precise date estimates as we get closer and hit our internal milestone. What does Fresh 2 bring? Fresh 2 makes the framework much more extensible and faster and easier to work with. The core API has been simplified to resemble similar APIs as you might know already from other frameworks like Express or Koa. This next major version will introduce Express Hono like APIs, true async components, and a new plugin system for creating and sharing fresh middleware. Adding custom middleware routes and or other things is much easier with this. The signature of middleware and handlers are the exact same, so you don't need different types for them anymore either. Fresh 2 also ships with the support for pre-compiled JSX transform in Deno out of the box. This significantly speeds up rendering and much more. How to get Fresh 2 alpha? Fresh 2 is currently available as an alpha release. While this means there might still be evolving APIs or occasional rough edges as we iterate based on feedback, we incredibly excited about its current capabilities. In fact, we have already battle testing it in production on deno.com and Deno deploy. We encourage you to try it for new projects or in development environment, and your feedback during this phase is invaluable as we progress towards stability. To get the best experience with Fresh 2.2 alpha, we also recommend using it with newly released Deno 2.3. This version includes features like improved Deno compile and local npm packages, which further streamline your Fresh development workflow. So you can run Fresh scaffolding script in your terminal with this command. So yeah, when you run it, you can going into your newly created Fresh project, then running Deno task dev and pointing your browser to localhost /8000. And if you want to upgrade it, you can just run this command. This will apply most API changes made in Fresh 2 automatically, like updating Fresh server.ts inputs to Fresh. Related to coming soon, Fresh 2 has been a joy to work with Deno, and we are excited to bring this much simpler and extensible version of Fresh to you as we approach the stable release later this year. Your feedback on the alpha version is crucial, so please give it a try and let us know what you think. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.